Okay, hi, my name is Janeen Coco. I've used the Delta for probably around 6 months now. It has done fabulous things for me and my practice. My family especially. The first thing is on animals. I have a wolf who decided to jump out of the back of a truck one day, broke his paw. I mean, it was just hanging like this. I decided to use the Delta that evening. I probably did 3 treatments on him. The next morning, took him to the vet. The vet was amazed at how quickly he was healing, and he actually didn't do anything to the dog, no medications or anything. Within like 4 or 5 days, he was walking on it and never bothered him again. I have a little Maltese too, just like something so traumatic as a break to, just a little even skin rash. Just lasered it a few times and the rash went away. The other thing was I have a vineyard. And my boyfriend has a huge vineyard, about 1,000 grapes. I decided to plant about 30 of them, and same soil, same everything, and both of ours were looking a little rough, and I decided to laser my grapes. 2 minutes, no big deal. And the difference between mine and his is night and day, which he's not very happy about, but it was just amazing to me to see the difference. I mean, it's just, proof. It's right there. You're looking at it. I mean, one plant's doing not so well, and the other one is just flourishing. It looks beautiful. As far as patients that I've worked with a patient who had autoimmune disease, and she also had 3 surgeries in her ear. She was deaf in that ear. After the 3rd surgery, the doctors had told her, she probably didn't need the surgery to begin with. I started treating her, doing, her autoimmune disease, so, doing that, and then also just sticking the probe in her ear for about 2 minutes, and then treating, with the course of therapy. And within the second time I did that, she actually had she had earphones on, and it was turned up, really loud, but she actually, for the first time, can hear sound again. And I mean, she's doing great now. Her hearing's coming back, and her autoimmune disease, she feels great, wonderful. Had a girlfriend who had broken her ankle, and same thing, went and just started lasering her. Probably by the 3rd treatment again, something that looked so, blue, swollen, and she was in a lot of pain. Went from that to the next day, you can actually see where everything was turning lighter, and so she was very happy with it. My daughter was diagnosed with lupus, and she, just went from this really energetic, full of life person to someone who just was lethargic, constantly sick, just not hurting, and we treated her with the therapy for lupus, and she's doing great. She is doing wonderful. She's on her break right now. She did 2 weeks, and the difference between when she started till now is night and day. So I'm very blessed. I'm very happy about that. And besides that, it's just been overall. I've had knee surgery, back in 1986 with ACL tear and medial collateral tear, and just the whole big scars on my knee. It really doesn't hurt. It's still torn because of a skiing accident. All the doctors told me that I have to get I need another reconstruction surgery, which I'm like, oh, until I met Dr. Cowden, and he talked to me about the Delta, and I started getting 24/7 just that dull ache pain. And I knew, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to have that surgery again. And so I met Garrett, and I was just like, okay, well, if this is gonna work, here, laser my knee. And he did it for about 5 minutes, like on 3 different points. And no kidding, I went home that night or went to my hotel, and I was probably 70% better, which was huge because I couldn't even sleep at night. I was just aching all the time. So the next day I came in, and I was like, okay, laser me again. And they did. And again, it was like 15 minutes tops, and the pain went away, and it was fabulous. So of course, that's when I first bought my Delta. And I just highly recommend that to everybody. Thank you.